Alrighty guys, welcome back. Another day at the range here. I'd like to wish everybody I hope they had a happy New Year's, and I hope that every one of you guys, the goals that you've set for 2021 comes true, and you work hard for it and you get what you deserve. I had a good New Year's, spent with my family and my girlfriend and my son. I'm going to try a little bit some different stuff for 2021. I'm going to do my videos a little bit different. Nothing a whole lot's going to change, but today I'm going to be shooting some Center X out of the CZ 457. As if you guys don't know, it's a factory CZ 457. The action is bedded, and I did have the head spacing set for the bolt and the barrel, and it's got an area 419 rail, vortex rings, and it's got a 6x24x50 vortex diamondback scope. Some people have been asking on the comments what this here is, this black felt. Basically all it is I went to Hobby Lobby and bought, all it is adhesive foam. So the backside's adhesive and then this is foam. It's maybe like 1/16 of an inch. I just put it on there for during the summer when it's hot out and sweating at the matches. The sweating getting all over the stalk of my cheek. When it does rest on there, it isn't sliding all over the place. So that's what that is. So I'm going to do 5 shots, 5 groups, and yeah, let's get to it. I know you guys all been waiting to see what this ammo shoots out of the Center X out of the CZ, so I also put my front stop on my rest. That way it'll help me too from keeping the gun rocking. Very nice group. Alright guys, what I'm going to do now is go into a time lapse and just finish out the rest of these the groupings. Alrighty, that's that. The 5-shot groups. I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna bring the target back here, and we're gonna measure it out. It is raining. It started picking up rain, so yeah, let's go get this. Alrighty, guys. So I came back, got the target, retrieved the target, measured them all out, and here's what I came up with. Group sizes. I did it with a pair of dial calipers, but my first group, average, or measured out to, was a 0.327. Second group is 0.521. Third group, which was 0.336. Fourth grouping was 0.387. And then the last grouping was 0.479. So then that brought the average of the 5 groupings to an average of 0.410 MOA. That's the ammo that I shoot out of that when I go to the matches for the American Rimfire Association. I think it shoots pretty good groups. I mean, it did start to rain on us here. But yeah, I think that Center X shot pretty good out of it. Another thing, guys, too, don't forget the giveaway for January. I'm giving out a 16-ounce bottle of the Rimfire blend by Vortec, and then I'm also giving you guys 2 nylon brushes. And all you guys got to do is just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then comment down in the comments Center X. And also, guys, comment down below on what you think of how I edited this video, or not how I edited it, but how I changed the things up and went through a time lapse of me shooting instead of you guys just sitting there watching me shoot 5-shot groups. I figured I'd just shoot the first one and time lapse the rest, and then go down there to the target, bring it back, and then average up my MOAs, and that way you guys got it instead of doing a picture at the end. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys watching, and yeah, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below for that free giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away another item next month. I'm not sure what it is yet, and I also would like your guys' thought on this. I'll supply the targets, and we'll do. I want to challenge you guys, or everybody challenge each other. Guess it'd be hard to judge this, but I would at least like to say shoot 50 yards. I'll supply the target. You shoot just the targets themselves. You get unlimited sighters, and then maybe I'll throw another consolation prize in there. But I think it'd be cool to get everybody, all you guys viewers watching, to do this. And I think it'd be cool to challenge everybody, and just not myself, or I want to shoot, you know what I mean? So let me know what you guys think about that. To make it fair, I would have to say you'd have to do a video of it and then send it to me. That way I just got verification that you're actually shooting at 50 yards. But I mean, that's just a thought, throw it out there. I'll supply the targets. Like I said, I'll ship them to you guys. Now this is just for the guys in state. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think of that idea, and kick it around or whatnot. And then let me know what you guys think of how I edited this video on the time lapse and stuff like that. But I appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.